Purchase your tracks today.
Hi, my name is Jeremy, the videographer for Nessa. Today we're gonna do an easy Joker Halloween tutorial with Aisha. So I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Here's Aisha removing her makeup with wipes to start with a clean canvas. Now Aisha's got a concealer, I think, and she's putting it over her eyebrows. Now her eyebrows are white. And now we're brushing. And now the wipe's back. We're cleaning again. Now what is this? Foundation? She's taking some of it on the sponge and she's putting it all over her face. All over her face. So the concealer makes a second appearance and she's putting it under her eyes, nose. Is that the lips? The upper lip. Forehead. Yeah, and she's blending. And this is the loose powder. I know that because I read the label. What I don't know is why is she doing this? Oh, I know this. I've been told that this is the baking technique. Yeah, but not the delicious type. Okay, so we're finally getting to the fun part. She's coloring her eyebrows green. And now she's putting red all over her eyes. She's going in, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and also underneath it apparently. Oh, this is my favorite part. Yeah, she's doing eyeliner. So smooth. Now we have the mascara, the lashes, and ta-da! For the Halloween part, she's adding some scars on her face. The more the spookier. And lastly, we're going for the Joker smile. Just put some red, smear it all over your lips, and you're good to go. It doesn't need to be perfect, and that's the point. Look at that finished look.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now Aisha's ready for Halloween.